ABN is something that really dropped from nowhere onto my lap. You give me an industry, it's very likely I've touched it in one way or another. But media is really my passion because it is a way to really speak to the nation. So I had a meeting. At the meeting, towards the end, after talking about all the issues, challenges, they basically asked this very straightforward question: who do you think can, do you know anybody who can run this? So I said, I'm not sure. There's nobody has ever run or started up a cable TV company in the country, at least not a Malaysian that I'm aware of. Of course, the magical question came, what about you? So that was an interesting question which required a lot of thinking, and I said no. But I said, but I'll give it a thought. So I gave it a week. I don't know why I agreed to meet in a week's time, but I did agree, and so I met up and gave them a decision that, yes, okay, I will take up the challenge and do it. 6 years I've run businesses and companies of my own, including Malaysian Insider, but this is far bigger than anything that I've done. So it is really funded by a group of shareholders that have the resources to make it happen. The thing is, my background is both technology as well as business. So I look at anything with both perspectives, and when you look at the space in Malaysia, and I'm starting to understand this more and more as I pursue. The more I research this, study this, talk to people about it, the more I realize there is a formidable position that ABN can play in the marketplace here locally. Our goal is to launch a very stable, strong cable TV network. Here we have multiple channels running on a platform that's a lot more stable than terrestrial TV, or a lot more stable than direct-to-home satellite service. Today, the statistics show that about half of our TV households have some kind of pay TV service. So there's a huge number out there who have no pay TV service and nothing beyond terrestrial television. Many of them are not subscribing or have cancelled previous subscriptions because of price. So our goal is to provide something that's affordable and at a price point that people would actually want to subscribe. Points are at the level where existing pay TV subscribers may wish to convert to us. That is definitely a huge possibility. Within the next 2 years, what we hope to do is to be in every major area around Malaysia. So when we launch, of course, we plan to be in 3 market centers: Klang Valley, Penang, Johor Bahru. This game is a long-term game, yeah? To cover the whole country, our initial plan was to do it over 10 years. Well, we're looking at content, something for everybody, including the foreign expatriates in this country. The clear benefit we have against any other operator is the ability for us to deliver channels technically at a cost that is a lot lower than other platforms. Technically, that one cable coming to your house can deliver over 1,000 channels at the same cost. I don't do anything to the network. Yeah, over 1,000 channels. Platform is a lot easier and more cost efficient to operate.